What's up, y'all? Today my grandma's 80th birthday. My great grandma. I'm heading over to celebrate it, eat a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what I'm gonna get her. I don't even know where to stop here. What clothes? I just go to Walmart, walk around this shit. I just pulled up at Walmart. I don't know what to get her. But to be up in there just walking around looking. You gotta walk all the way around here. Walk all the way around here just to get. Gotta walk all the way around just to go inside. Like I'm the only one without a mask on. Only one in the Walmart with no mask on. I don't know what going on. I don't know what she'll want for her birthday. Yeah, man, I'm finna get out this train. Line so goddamn long. Way I'm finna get out of here. Hit the Walgreens. Give her a gift card. Can't go wrong with a gift card. This shit got some more earrings, man. But I wasn't finna wait no long line for no earrings. Oh, yeah. Too much patience for that. I'm trying to take a whole. Look like they got an 80th birthday joint.
It's a nice card right here, a nice religious card.
Religious?
It's very good, yeah. It's a nice religious card. It's very good.
Think she gonna like this joint?
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, sir. They done do it just right. Well, got grandma gift card, Cheddar's gift card. They do it just right. So I heard she like Cheddar's. Time to sign this joint. Let's see, happy birthday. Happy. Man, pen never work, bro. Let's see, you're special, you're loved. The world is your bliss. To have you in the happy birthday.
Sign my card!
Question me.
Y'all doing it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
At home now, cuz. Like, been a quick little brush session, you know what I'm saying? And I got my crown fixed finally. I'll show y'all in a minute. Yeah, bro. Gonna show y'all how to lay down the wool. Wool get long. 2 months. 2-month wool. Gonna show y'all how to lay this joint down. I can turn this fro into waves. Just watch. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. First thing I gotta do, I just get a hard brush. And I just brush my hair a whole lot. Picked up. But do what I like to do first. Just brush it first. Hey, well, it's gonna stay freezing all the way, really, until I put the do-rag on. Let's show you. It really don't take much to do it. Just the front one, stay there. Yeah, the over curve. Ain't much to get knocked that out though. Just keep on brushing first. Then I'm gonna go around with my plastic bag. I already see you laying down. Next step, apply your solution. You really can use whatever you want, put in your hair really, but you really can use whatever. I don't use wave grease or nothing like that. Just make sure you get it everywhere, especially your crown. That's the spot you sure don't gotta get it at. Next, hard brush again, brush it in. See my crown getting a little better now. Next up, I like to use this Sereno Pro. It's a medium, about a medium salt. I like to go from the hardest brush to the soft to lay it down. The soft brush really will lay it down a bit. Next, I like to use some black castor oil. Wipe that on. Then, right after that, use my soft brush and brush it in. Around the crown. Here on my soft brush right here. Go around there. Really ain't gotta do a whole lot with it. Just to give it a little shine. Get that black castor oil. You gonna hear me tell y'all, black castor oil. That just give you a little more shine. That's all.
Yeah, it's awesome. Make it have a little more healthy too.
You know, after every brush session, you gotta use a plastic bag. Everybody know that. The plastic bag really will help you lay down. Now if we put the do-rag on, keep it on about 15 minutes. When I take it off, you see a difference. See a big difference, watch. 10 minutes. Oh yes, sir. Man, let me know if the video was helpful to you. Lay it down pretty good. I'm gonna have my crown perfect pretty soon.